Just a little update. Going out on the roof here. Electricians are on day 2, and it's Monday, about 4:30, 5 o'clock. So we got power ran outlet for heat pump number 1. We got to put our little flashing boot down and tie our refrigerant line into the side of the unit there. That'll be a breeze. And let's see what they got done over here. Don't mind the trash. We have just been fighting seemingly a never-ending battle of getting rid of mountains of material. We have taken 2 truckloads out of here, and large truckloads at that. So they got their disconnects here, service outlet down here, power disconnect, 1 for each of the units, which are really tall. I come up to probably right about here. So there's just a lot of height there, but that's good. And our fresh air intake over there has been installed. That's where the fresh air will come into the building according to the level of carbon dioxide in the building, which is going to be measured based on how many people are in the building and how much they're breathing. So it'll be perfect for bringing in fresh air for just the amount needed for the occupants in the building at the time, and not bringing in a bunch of fresh air when nobody's in the building to try to heat it or cool it. So that's a little update there for the electricians day 2. They'll be done tomorrow, I'm assuming. That's what they said. They probably would be done. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So I'll have power inside the building. This is the fresh air intake connection point inside, and that runs through a flexible insulated duct and goes down and connects into the main return ducting. And I'll go down this little ladder here carefully. And so the main return ducting is this large duct here that runs behind. You can see we got the end all capped off now, sealed off. And there's a fresh air louver behind this duct that opens and closes to regulate the amount of outside air coming into the system. And got the panels off of this unit, getting ready to tie in the controls and the power and the refrigerant piping. And actually just starting on the refrigerant piping. All those ducts up top are all connected, and we're good to go there. There's the electrical panels that the electricians ran in on Friday, and those panels are dedicated for HVAC, so each one will have a circuit for each air handler, and then of course the circuit for the units outside on the other side of that wall, those 2 big heat pumps. So up here, these are our refrigeration piping manifolds. As you can tell, I'm working on this set right here. Those will be piped into, each one of those stubs pipes into an air handler. So we're gonna get those connected tomorrow. Just really finishing up kind of like a punch list of things to do now. Mounting thermostats and things of that nature. Over here, our returns are ready to be connected to the these 2 connection points here and here, which run down inside the building, and they are the low wall returns, and we're going to connect those after the electricians are done, because this is a real high traffic area on the job here. There's returns like that on either side of the building, so a total of 4 that are ready to be connected up like that. That'll be really quick. And then if I go through the attic here to the other side, we've completely installed the exhaust system, and this right here is the fan for the exhaust system. It's about almost 1,000 CFM. That's cubic feet of air per minute that'll be pulled in that direction, and it goes outside here, just out through the roof with a terminal on the roof. And this pipe goes, and watch my step here, this pipe goes all the way down the wall, and then it drops down through a chase about 15 or 20 feet And I'll turn my light off. It'll help any. I don't know if it will. But that goes way down there. And then it comes out above the entryway. And then ties in the attic in the entryway to the old exhaust system that exhausted the bathrooms and the lobby. So that's run on a motion sensor, and the motion sensor is going to be hooked up tomorrow. This has got electrical connected to it already, so the exhaust system should be done tomorrow. And those white lines there that come up, those connect to the refrigerant unit or the heat pump on the roof, the small one that connects to the unit in the lobby area in the storage closet. So that's where we are today. It's the end of the day on Monday, and we're looking good. I think that we should see this thing running this week. That's the goal. And thank you for your patience, and until next time, bye.